Welcome to our channel. We wanted to install security cameras in our farm. This video is about how we built a weather-resistant enclosure for the electronic equipment. Our next video will be about the security camera setup and installation. For this project we have used old iron from the market. The equipment used was an arc welding machine, angle cutter, drilling machine and vise. Materials used were mild steel L-angles, sheet metal panels, PU packing sheet, adhesive, plywood sheets, roofing sheets, PVC pipes, undercoat, topcoat paint and concrete. The length of this enclosure is 4 foot, width is 2 foot and it is 4 foot tall. We built 3 levels in this enclosure to store our equipment. As the first step, we straightened the L-angle pieces, cut them to size and then built the base level. The corners are cut and welded together. We are using a slightly heavy zinc-coated metal sheet for the base platform. This is because we will be placing the inverter battery and charger here. This section is strengthened with white cross members for uniform loading. The second and third levels are fitted and then welded in place. We will use plywood boards for these levels of the project. The metal sheets are then cut and matched with the frame. We then use a PVC packing trim to minimize the gaps in the enclosure. The door is then fitted with hinges and sheet metal panel welded to finish this piece. A base coat of corrosion-resistant paint is applied first before taking the unit to the installation site. At the site, we used PVC and concrete to build the pillars. The PVC pipes are footed with 8 mm iron rods for stability. After curing, the enclosure is placed on the pillars. We have built a roof frame with acacia poles and used roofing sheets to protect the enclosure from direct sunlight and rain. An additional coat of corrosion-resistant paint and then a top coat is applied to finish the paint work of this enclosure. Any gaps we found were sealed with a silica sealant gel. The plywood boards are placed and the sheet metal frames panels are screwed in place. It's then time for a tea break. We plan to install an exhaust fan to ensure the enclosure does not heat up too much and to carry excess moisture out during the monsoon. The exhaust fan will be controlled by a mechanical timing switch. The fan will run for an hour and then be switched off for 2 hours. This is to prevent overheating of the fan's motor. We then cover the 4 panels with a thin PVC sheet for thermal insulation and waterproofing. The PVC sheet is glued on the metal sheet using the heat-proof adhesive. Since this installation is happening around a paddy field, we use a moisture absorbent to handle excess humidity and protect the electronic parts inside the enclosure. We are now ready to install the cameras and recording equipment. Thank you for watching. Our next video has the second part of this project.